We are in Kagoshima Prefecture in Japan, near Kirishima National Park. And this is a ryokan called Myoken Ishiharaso. It's in the Myoken Onsen area, hot springs. So let's take a tour of our room. It's called Kirara. And it's in the new building called Ishigura, spelled with a K in English, but it's actually pronounced Ishigura in Japanese. And this is a suite room, Japanese and Western style with open air bath, natural hot springs. In fact, Myoken Onsen is renowned for having among the best of all the natural hot springs in all of Japan. And so as you walk in, here's the kind of a lounge area. The TV. So that's the Western style element of this Kirara room. And then over here, you have the Japanese style room. And so again, the Ishigura is an annex building, and it's fresher and newer, and also has the higher end rooms. The other benefit is that you have the option of dining, being served the meals in your room, which is really, really nice. So which is what we're doing, both for dinner and breakfast, so you have the privacy. So you have two separate living rooms, and then here is the bedroom. As we walk in, and here's the closet. As typical in many of the nicer ryokans, you have the yukata robes right here. See, that you wear while you go in the onsen. So Ishiharaso has some rooms, including ours, with the onsen, but there's public onsen baths that are supposedly amazing that we're going to go try out. One is gender mixed. You can go in with your bathing suit or just wrap a towel around your waist if you're a man. So mixed gender, but also they have a separate gender as well. And also you can rent two of the baths, rent it out privately if you want to go in with your significant other, hetero other. So toilet, shower, you can see the shower head there. But the star of the room, as is the case with most onsen ryokans, are the onsens themselves, and this one has a really nice one built into the room, surrounded by nature. I can just really smell it. And this is the river down below. You'll also notice they dug a little bit underground, just a tad, and you can see up ahead how much natural hot springs actually gushes out like that. So there's an abundance of onsen availability in this area, including at this ryokan. And some of the hot springs baths that you could rent here are right along the river, as if you're in the river while enjoying the bath. So anyways, this is about 85 square meters. It's a Japanese Western style suite in the Ishigura building. with the open air bath, the ability to dine in your own room. And we're going to try this as well as some of the other baths because this ryokan is renowned for it. Kirara room suite at Myoken Ishiharaso in Kagoshima Prefecture near Kirishima National Park in Japan.